Today we are going to see about organ system in animals. In that we are going to see about excretory system. How the nitrogenous waste that is formed in our body is sent out.
Kidneys. Kidneys are bean shaped organs, reddish brown in color. The kidney is lie on either side of the vertebral column in the abdominal cavity attached to the dorsal body wall. The right kidney is placed lower than the left kidney as the liver takes up much space on the right side. Each kidney is about 11 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide and 3 centimeter thick. The kidney is covered by a layer of fibrous connective tissue, the renal capsule, adipose capsule and a fibrous membrane. Internally, the kidney consists of an outer dark region, the cortex, and an inner lighter region, the medulla. Both of these regions contain uriniferous tubules or nephrons. Medulla consists of multitubular conical masses called the medullary pyramids or renal pyramids, whose bases are adjacent to the cortex. On the inner concave side of each kidney, a notch called ileum is present, through which blood vessels and nerves enter in and the urine leaves out. Ureter. Ureters are thin, muscular tubes emerging out from the ileum. Urine enters the ureter from the renal pelvis and is conducted along the ureter by peristaltic movement of its walls. The ureters carry urine from kidney to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a sac-like structure which lies in the pelvic cavity of the abdomen. It stores urine temporarily. Urethra. Urethra is a membranous tube which conducts urine to the exterior. The urethral sphincters keep the urethra closed and opens only at the time of maturation, that is urination. Function of kidney: maintains the fluid and electrolyte balance in our body, regulates acid-base balance of blood, and it maintains the osmotic pressure in blood and tissue, helps to retain the important plasma constituents like glucose and amino acids. Structure of a nephron. Each kidney consists of more than 1 million nephrons. Nephrons are uriniferous tubules or structural and functional units of the kidney. Each nephrons consists of renal corpuscles or Malpighian corpuscles and renal tubule. The renal corpuscles consist of a cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule, containing a bunch of capillaries called glomerulus. Blood enters the glomerular capillaries through afferent arterioles and leaves out through efferent arterioles. The Bowman's capsule continues as the renal tubule, which consists of 3 regions: proximal convoluted tubule, U-shaped hairpin loop, the loop of Henle, and the distal convoluted tubule. The distal convoluted tubule opens into the collecting tubule. The nitrogenous waste are drained into the renal pelvis, which leads to the ureter and stored in the urinary bladder. Urine is expelled out through the urethra. Mechanism of urine formation. The process of urine formation includes the following three stages: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, tubular secretion. Glomerular filtration. Urine formation begins with the filtration of the blood through epithelial walls of the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. The filtrate is called as glomerular filtrate. Both essential and non-essential substance present in the blood are filtered. Tubular reabsorption. The filtrate in the proximal tubule consists of essential substance such as glucose, amino acids, vitamins, sodium, potassium, bicarbonates and water that are reabsorbed into the blood by a process of selective reabsorption. Tubular secretion. Substances such as hydrogen or potassium ions are secreted into the tubules. This tubular filtrate is finally known as urine, which is hypertonic in man. Finally, the urine passes into the collecting duct to the pelvis and through the ureter into the urinary bladder. When the urinary bladder is full, the urine is expelled out through the urethra. This process is called maturation. A healthy person excretes 1 to 2 liters of urine per day. Dialysis or artificial kidney. When kidney loses their filtering efficiency, excessive amount of fluid and toxic waste accumulate in the body. This condition is known as kidney failure. For this, an artificial kidney is used to filter the blood of the patient. The patient is said to be put on dialysis, and the process of purifying blood by an artificial kidney is called hemodialysis. When renal failure cannot be treated by drug or dialysis, the patients are advised for kidney transplantation.